What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to install VSTs on your FL Studio 2024. So let's go ahead and open your FL Studio software. Once you do that, click Options and then Manage Plugins. So the first thing that you need to do, make sure you move your VST to your disk. For example, like on your program files, create a VST folder here like this, and then name it VST plugins like this. Once you do that, make sure you move the VST that you want to install on your FL Studio in your folder here, and then come to Options one more time and then click Manage Plugins. Once you do that, make sure it's on the program files and then click Find Installed Plugins, and you just need to wait for scanning to finish, and once it's done it will show you all the VSTs that you have in your folder. So as you guys can see now, it's scanning. We just need to wait until it's done, and then it will show us the plugins we have. So as you guys can see, now we can see all the plugins and we can highlight them by clicking on the star. So that's it for this video. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get the latest tutorials about music and other things that we post every day. And don't forget to visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.